Hi everyone, Michael Miller here to talk with you about fire pit design. Some of the basics, there are 4 basic kinds of fire pits. One, the old school way is just to dig a hole in the ground and sit around cross-legged and that's a fire pit, the true fire pit. Secondly, you could have a fire on the ground with a fire ring around it, very often done at campsites. You've got rocks or blocks around the fire pit, and very often it's a good idea to have a grate for airflow in there. A third option is a portable fire pit, and you see these everywhere. And finally, a built-in elevated fire pit like this one. This is my favorite. And whatever you do with any fire pit design, you want to make sure that you're 1, safe, 2, it's fun, and 3, it's clean and easy. Clean and easy, basic fire grates are the good way to go. Whether you have on the ground, sometimes a fire grate like that, a spider grate, or some call it a smoke grate. This is the granddaddy of them all. On the ground, you can put this one on the ground, get good airflow, put blocks or rocks around it, or an elevated fire pit. Whatever you do, whether it's portable, elevated, make sure you get good airflow for a good clean fire and a safe and enjoyable time. All right, that's it. We'll leave a link with more information in the description below. And next time we're going to be going into airflow. Why is my fire dying?